Have you ever scrolled through TikTok and thought, are these random TikTok shop people really making that much money? Yes, they really are. And you can do this too, even if you're brand new and only have about $100 to get started. I'm going to show you the 5 simple things you need to start your TikTok shop drop shipping business in 2026, step by step. At the end, I'll share the one secret that every successful TikTok shop seller has in common. It's not an app, it's not a course, but it'll completely change how you see this business. My name is Victor. I'm a former project manager in the digital marketing world, and I now use my experience to help new online entrepreneurs understand what's currently working in dropshipping, e-commerce, and AI automation. And before we get started, quick question. What's the hardest part of selling online for you right now? Here's the truth. No matter how nice your store looks or how good your videos are, if your product doesn't make people stop scrolling, nothing else matters. So what you want to ask yourself is, what makes someone pause for 3 seconds? The one thing they're going to see in your video or hear in your video that's going to cause them to be like, oh my goodness, this is exactly what I need. Now, the best products on TikTok aren't fancy or expensive. They're simple, useful, and make people say, I need that. But I mean, how do you go about this? Think about a cat litter box that cleans itself or the mug that never spills. These products go viral because TikTok runs on curiosity. You've got 3 seconds to grab attention. Here's how to find a product for your dropshipping journey in 2026. Go to the TikTok Creative Center. If you go into the top ads section and turn on the Shop Now filter, you'll see what's already going viral right now. Or you could use Halo data to check which products are getting views, ads, and sales. The good thing is you're using real world data to find out what's working instead of guessing. So what you want to do is look for products that are under roughly $20, products that offer fast shipping. Is this a product that you can easily talk about in a video in the way that interests people and get them to stop within the first 3 seconds? Find that type of product, then you want to choose a supplier that's going to get that product sent to your buyers. So think of Doba, CJ Dropshipping, or Temu Business. When someone buys from TikTok, they want it yesterday. So what product do you think could stop someone scrolling today? What product stops you scrolling quite often on TikTok? Now that you've got the product, how do you make your store look real without spending a fortune? Good news is you don't need a web designer. You just need something like Shopify's starter plan, which is actually right now $1 a month to get started for the first 3 months, linked in the description. For this, you can actually connect to your TikTok shop, add your product, and start taking payments instantly. You've got a store that works on 2 fronts. You've got your TikTok shop selling within that ecosystem, but you've also got your Shopify store, which integrates into dozens of platforms online, such as YouTube, multiple channels where you could potentially scale your income. So make a free TikTok shop seller account, go to Shopify, start with the $1 a month plan, then add your product manually from your supplier. Keep your page simple, 1 product, 1 buy now button, no distractions. You want to write your copy like you're writing to a friend, something along the lines of, tired of scooping cat poop every day? This gadget cleans itself, so you don't have to. Play around with statements like that. You've got AI that you could use that could help you brainstorm exactly what to say. You want to keep things simple, human, and super clear. And by the way, if you are finding value from this video, be sure to smash the like button so that more new e-commerce entrepreneurs like yourself can see this video. And if you do that, this tells me to keep making content like this. Now that we've talked about the product and the store, so what's the quickest and easiest way to drive traffic to your store? By posting short TikToks that show your product in action. TikTok doesn't care about perfect videos. It cares about videos that feel real. Ask yourself, what kind of video would make someone curious enough to watch until the end? Record 5 to 10 clips showing the product in use. You could use something like CapCut to edit. It's completely free and it's made for TikTok or whatever other tool that you are comfortable with. Use short caption text like, this actually works, or you could write something along the lines of POV. You find something that saves you time. In one single filming section, you could even film about 10 to 15 videos, because the videos that we're aiming for are simple, straightforward, and ultra short. Even if one of the videos that you record hits something like 50,000 views, that's your first few sales. If you're not sure what to say on camera, don't worry. There's Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, free tools that you could use to help you get there. So you don't need to be a marketing expert. You just need to know which AI tools to use. For example, you could use ChatGPT to write 5 TikTok hooks for your products. You could use a tool like Arcad's AI, which will turn those scripts into talking videos if you don't want to show your face because you're actually using AI avatar. Another rabbit hole I'm not going to go into because I've covered this in a dedicated video, which will be somewhere in the description. Another tool is called SmythOS, where you can set up a simple AI agent that checks TikTok shop for trending products every day. This means that you can can post faster, test faster, and learn faster than everyone else. But there's one more piece of the puzzle, and this one is where the money really comes from. What you also want to do is turn your viewers into repeat customers. And this is a huge problem because about 98% of people who visit your store leave without buying. So what you want to do is build a way to follow up automatically. As a project manager, this was one of the most critical focuses with clients when building effective marketing strategies. You could use a tool like Shopify Email or Klaviyo, add a pop-up to your store, offer 10% off or free shipping to encourage people to sign up in order to get that small benefit. You could create a link using something like Linktree so your TikTok viewers can find your shop easily. So not only are you selling on your TikTok shop storefront, but you're getting those visitors to click onto your links, sign up to your mailing list, and also have an opportunity to visit your Shopify store and become repeat customers. And when a TikTok video does well, you could boost it for $10 to $20 using the TikTok promote feature as well to drive more people to view not only that video, to potentially go into your profile and end up signing up to your mailing list as well. You're not necessarily paying to go viral again, you're learning what makes people buy. And once you figure that out, TikTok's algorithm starts doing the heavy lifting for you, showing your videos to shoppers just like your first buyers. Because remember, it doesn't matter how much you pay for TikTok promote. If no one wants to see your video, if no one thinks your video solves their problem, then your money is just going to go down the toilet. So the video needs to be right in the first place. Now, for that big question I teased at the start, why do some people go viral and others stay stuck? It's not luck, it's how they treat the process. Every top TikTok shop seller plays the same game: test, post, learn, repeat. They don't quit when a video flops, they use it as feedback, change their approach, and try again. That's the real secret. They don't chase perfection. The faster they post, the faster they learn. And the faster they learn, the faster they earn. With that in mind, let me ask you, what's the one product you could test easily this week? And keep in mind, you don't need thousands of dollars. You just need a product that makes people curious, a store that looks real, and the courage to hit post. Because right now, someone out there is going viral selling the exact same product you just scrolled past. If you take what you've learned here today, that could be you next.